Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. True. Here's your homework help for week 2. Okay, we're going to start off where I'm going to say a word and I'm going to stretch it out. And you say the full word after you blend the sounds together. You ready? D-a-d. Dad. Try to beat me and say the word before I do. B-e-d. Bed. K-it. Kit. J-a-g. Jog. B-a-g. Bug. R-a-p. Rap. M-e-n. Men. L-i-d. Lid. R-a-t. Rot. S-a-n. Sun. How'd you do? Did you beat me? Okay, for the next part, I'm going to show letters, and then you are going to say the sound of the letter. Not naming the letter, but saying the sound that the letter spells. Are you ready? See if you can beat me. Oh. K. E. T. Y. I. F. Oops, sorry. O. S. A. G. B. A. W. D. J. How'd you do? I hope you beat me. Okay, for the next one, I'm going to say a sound and you're going to name the letter that spells that sound. Okay, so I'm going to mix them up a little bit. Okay, are you ready? F. L. L. S. S. A. A. G. G. B. B. A. O. W. W. D. D. U. J. J. K. C. E. T. T. Y. Y. H. P. I. I. How'd you do? I hope you did great. Okay, for the next part, we're going to say some sounds and we're going to stretch out some words using our Elkonin boxes. Okay, our first two only have 2 sounds, so I can do this and just do the first 2. Okay, our first sound is. Say is. Oh, I forgot to move up. Let's stretch out is. I, s, is. Good job. Let's do another one. At. Say at. 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 Okay. Our next one is it. Say it. Good. It. It. Nice job. Now we're going to bring in our third sound. So we're going to do some words with 3 sounds. Okay. Our first word is hub. Hub. B. Hub. Okay. Next one. Our word is lead. Lead. L-E-D. Lead. Okay. Our next word is sit. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Okay. Our next word is top. Top. T, p, top. Okay, our last word is rag. Rag. R, a, g. Rag. How'd you do? Okay, for our very last part, we're going to say a sentence about a picture, and then we're going to count how many words are in that sentence. So this will be quick. Here's a picture. I love this picture because I love pigs and I love flowers. So let's say a sentence about this picture. Let's say, the pig has a flower in its mouth. Do you think we can do that long one? Let's do it. The pig has a flower in its mouth. Let's count. The pig has a flower in its mouth. We just said a sentence with 8 words in it. Awesome job. Okay, I hope you had a good time doing some extra work to get to be a smarter reader and writer. I'm proud of you. All right, I'll see you guys next.